Hi, my name is Tony. I live in Santa Helena, California. I'm a winemaker and a volunteer firefighter. Lived here for almost 10 years. Nice little small town here in the Napa Valley. So I was about 12 years old and I was in Hawaii and I hurt myself body surfing, and I actually hit my lower back and felt instant pain. And by the time I was 20 years old, about 8 years later, the pain was at such a point where I couldn't run anymore. I couldn't play any sports, basketball. So we went to go see Dr. Slozar to explore the idea of surgery, and I was 20 years old and my mom was thinking, you know, surgery, bad idea, you're young, but there was no other choice. We'd done all the alternative back remedies and nothing had worked, and this was our last resort. It worked. I woke up from surgery and it was the best decision I ever made, and it changed my life for the better.
So I first met Tony in the year 2000. He came to see me because of pain in his leg. He had numbness down his leg, he had a limp, he couldn't exercise, and he was only 20 years old. We tried physical therapy. He did an epidural shot of cortisone. After a couple of months, his pain continued, and he was getting weakness in his leg. So the three of us made a decision to do a surgery on his lower back. We did a microdiscectomy, which is a small incision surgery. We used a microscope. Tony went home later that day, and he did extremely well. He had complete resolution of his leg pain. He was able to get back into the gym. He returned back to school. I believe he was in college at the time. And he did very well. The minimally invasive surgical options allow patients, for the most part now, to recover and go home the same day. These injuries and these surgeries are similar to knee arthroscopy surgeries and shoulder sports medicine surgeries. We've reached a point now where we are getting results that are quite similar and reproducible to very common sports medicine injuries. The average age of a patient with a herniated disc is 32 to 34 years of age. So these are young patient injuries.
So after surgery, my life was changed. I was back doing all the activities that I was doing before. So in fact, yesterday I competed in an open water swim from the Golden Gate Bridge to the Bay Bridge, and my hope was just to finish it and accomplish, you know, another thing after my back surgery, and I actually ended up winning the whole race overall. So just another great accomplishment, and I can't thank Paul Slozar enough for everything.